What a fantastic day so far. You know, we've sold out our 30th anniversary conference with over 260 people are going to be here throughout the day. I'm really excited for the rest of the day.
So I'm really excited to be here for the Office Friendly conference and looking forward to speaking to the salespeople in the room.
We're relatively new to the partnership with Office Friendly, so it was a great opportunity for us to come, meet some of the members, meet some of the suppliers, have some conversations about how Office Friendly and Ultimate Displays are working together and the opportunities that we think are available for members and suppliers alike.
It's always nice, especially if you've been doing the game for a while, it's always nice to have something refreshing about seeing something you do done differently. It's both eye-opening and unnerving and empowering as well.
We had a fabulous session with Patrick this morning, who led our sales leaders, joined us today through practical sessions that they can take away back into their businesses and be better sales and client-facing people.
It's very much about reinforcing the importance of sales, reinforcing the professional nature of sales as a career, and hopefully sharing some ideas and some tips that will help people to be even more successful in the future.
Really insightful, lots of different ideas and how to think outside the box, and especially thinking under pressure correctly. I thought that was a really interesting part.
Wow. Clive Woodward, what a message. It resonated with everything that I heard today in the AGM this morning. Part of my own presentation, I think so many people are going to have takeaways from that.
He's led an unbelievable session thinking about, you know, winning cultures and winning mindsets, and he's talked about day in, day out, 95% of the time we're working in the business and 5% of the time we've got to take that time to come out and work on the business, and that is what today is all around.
I think the thing for me was in sport and in business, a lot of relatable skills and mindsets that you get from that being a rugby coach. There's a lot of things that are similar in our business in terms of attitude, communication, teamwork. So yeah, really insightful, really interesting.
Really excited to be delivering this 404 Masterclass to the Office Friendly dealer community. Have a really nice mix of both current users and other members within the room. Hopefully they'll take away from the talk some little nuggets about email marketing, how to deliver segmentation more effectively, improve their personalisation, and also look at ways in which they can galvanise the relationship with the sales teams within the dealer group.
So far, I think I've probably spoken to about 200 people, all who are really excited about the 30th year anniversary.
This afternoon we've got, you know, a sold out supplier exhibition hall where our members are going to get the chance to talk to a wide number of suppliers from both within our business supplies industry and outside of it.
It's been a fantastic day. Yeah, it's the second year in a row that Chicky Pan have exhibited at the Office Friendly conference. Today's been amazing. Been very busy speaking to new suppliers, existing suppliers and friends and colleagues. It's been a great day so far.
So we've had a great day here again at the Office Friendly conference. It's actually only my second year of attending this conference, and I think both times have been fantastic. It's such a lovely opportunity to get to meet our dealers that buy through the likes of the wholesalers as well. And yeah, just a nice friendly atmosphere.
It's been a really good day, some great conversations, a lot of interest in different products, from the entry-level stuff that you can see around the room to some of the really bespoke custom work that we do.
Really inspirational day. Started off with talk from Jeanette and Sir Clive Woodward, and then we ended up showing quite a few new products in our range. We've had probably the busiest show that I can remember. Fantastic interaction. Probably
there is so much new content, quality product and innovation that I've seen today. I can't thank our suppliers enough for being here today.
Definitely would recommend it to anybody. It's just a wonderful way to meet a lot of people in one place, and everyone's a bit more relaxed and having fun and just getting to know everyone and getting to know all the products, and highly recommend it.
I would recommend the Office Friendly conference because you're meeting with a lot of existing customers, a lot of new customers, potential customers, and meeting with a lot of suppliers, a way we can collaborate and network.
We've got some great follow-ups to have. It's been a really worthwhile day, and we would wholeheartedly recommend it, and we'll hopefully be back again next year.
one of the best dealer shows I've ever been to.